Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm recording at night and my little guy's in the next room, so if I'm a little whispery, I don't usually film at night, but I was going to post this tomorrow. I have a feeling I'm going to have questions on them, so I thought I would do a really quick tutorial on it. These are some little shaker pockets I made using my pocket letter insert, and I thought before anyone asked me how, I'm going to go ahead and make a tutorial. So all you're going to need is a page protector from a pocket letter, which, let me show you. So this is, I'm using one of these, and all I did was cut out 2 pockets. So if you can see how it looks, that's all I did was cut this out. I did sew mine, but I always do the alternative, so that's what I'm going to do today. So you should have 2 pockets right here. And I'm going to use a fuse tool. Also, you can use some red double-sided tape because it's clear. So this is it. Get this glass. Sorry, this is so messy. I hate to even show it, but I painted on it and whatever. Okay, so you're also going to need a paper to insert in this. So I believe these are 2.5 by 3. So 2.5 by 3. So you want to measure out a piece of paper. Also, don't forget your glitter, sequins, whatever you're using. So all I did was insert my 2 by 3 or 2.5 by 3 paper in one of the ends, which is going to be the back. This is actually laminated to make it a little bit more stable. You don't have to do that. You can just put a regular one in, but it just feels more like sturdy. So, and there's a sheen. You're not going to see the sheen in the daylight. So I did that, and then I'm going to throw some sequins in the front, which I have right here. I'm just going to throw them in. I put some glitter in there. I kind of pre-did this. So it's just going to go like that. It's super easy. So right now, I'm going to fuse this end to seal it. But if you don't have a fuse tool, please go ahead and just use the double-sided tape. It's pretty simple. Let's see here. I hope this is heated. And I think I lost, there it is. Ruler. I hope this film's okay, because I never film in the dark. Okay, I can't even see what I'm doing with the fuse tool right now. The lighting in my craft room is not the best at night. And there's 2 bulbs too. There's a piece of glitter kind of getting stuck on my fuse tool. It's taking me a minute. Okay. Make sure that's sealed. Okay. So now I'm going to take my, I actually sewed. So if you want to, sew the sides just right here. Make sure you leave the top open. For those who are using tape, I'm going to go ahead and seal the sides. This is easy. I'm all about the easy projects. Here's the struggle part. If I can get this, it would be great. Just taking off the tape. Seal. Okay, and just closing it. And that gives you this awesome, adorable pocket. And I obviously used a sticker, so let me just pick one out for you guys. Pick out this lock. It's kind of small, but I did not do this even, so I'm just going to rip this up real quick. So there you go. And this, you guys, would look awesome on like a library pocket or something. So you could totally do, this is just an example, this is just an but if you have a library pocket background, you can absolutely stick that in there and it will look so nice. Anyways, hope you liked the tutorial and hope I wasn't whispering too much, but my little guy has never slept that great. So thank you for watching.